Greetings, everyone. My name is Don Ross. Thank you for the opportunity to speak to everyone. Let me start by saying how excited and extremely grateful I am to be part of the Stepping Up America UST Global Xpanxion Mainframe Developer Training Program. I know that's a lot to say, but I have a lot to be thankful for. It has been one of my earliest childhood dreams to work in the IT career field. Little did I know that everything of viewing and applying to a job posting on Indeed would make that dream a reality and allow me to be part of this amazing training experience. Prior to the SIUA program, I worked in the domestic and international logistics career field, starting with the Air Force as a young man and the civilian logistics sector after serving my country. In both timelines, working in IT was a looping thought in my mind, but never something that came into being until now. Now, don't misunderstand me. I really enjoyed my time in the Air Force, traveling the world, meeting people from different countries and experiencing new and often historic events. But being selected for the training program was special. From the moment I received the email notification of acceptance, I knew my logistics life was over and that my dream would now become a reality. This moment and others reminded me of a quote from motivational speaker Les Brown that reads, "Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears." I want to start living my dream. At the start of training, I had some reference about IT, but nothing like working with the mainframes. The information being taught was something new and exciting, as I'm sure my classmates can attest to. At times, it was difficult to understand some elements of the training and relatively easy for the other parts. Through it all, my classmates and I helped each other and left no one behind, which is a priceless experience, much like the military that I will remember for the rest of my life. If I was speaking to new interns, my advice would be to ask questions, be engaged in the discussions, study hard, and most of all, enjoy this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Relatively speaking, the motivational and technical information learned from Mark and Ken will be part of me forever. I learned a lot from them and have implemented some of those things in my daily life. I look forward to using the leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills taught by Mark and the technical skills of COBOL, DB2, JCL, VSAM, and ZOS taught by Ken. I will continue to improve upon what they have taught me, pursue any additional education available to me, and constantly strive for perfection. At this time, I would like to thank my wife, family, and friends for their support. Without it, this journey would be so much more difficult. To my classmates, we made it. We can all celebrate the moment as Will Smith's character did in The Pursuit of Happiness. To Mark, Ken, and everyone at the UST Xpanxion family, thank you for the opportunity to become a valuable part of the team and work with some amazing people. Sincerely, Don Ross. Thank you.